How to find barcode on Cash App to add money. I am going to show you how you can easily find a barcode on the Cash App to add money. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone and logging into your account. You can log in using your PIN or your fingerprint if your phone supports biometric authentication. After logging in, look for the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the banking icon to access your banking options within the Cash App. Within the banking section, you will see various options. Look for more ways to add money and tap on it. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Pay Per Money. This option allows you to add money to your Cash App account using a barcode. Once you have selected Pay Per Money, you will see an option to show barcode. Tap on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm showing the barcode. Tap on Show Barcode again. This will reveal the barcode which you can use to add money into your account. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.